gutter is the vagina of the city of structure?
I was thinking of it, I don't think vagina's in there, but I was thinking it was more like the guts.
Oh yeah.
So
the gastrointestinal,
maybe the digestive system, but then I was thinking, it's the kidneys as well, because it's
purifying and flushing.
Yeah, it's flushing and it's draining.
A society's relationship to its gutter system is revealing at both a social and a cultural level. This research looks at the psychosocial parallel between the way we treat the human body and the body of the city. A city's street gutter, a system of elimination, reflects society's ordered way of dealing with certain functions and flows. Likewise, we have a certain hierarchical viewpoint of the body's systems of elimination. The street gutter serves to cleanse and drain or detoxify the city. But in its clumsiness, it has become part of a cycle of toxification, which circulates pollutants from city to sea, to fish, to mouth, to gut, gutter, cigarette butt. This is our collective gutter matter. Gutter matters.
The moral hierarchy of the city and the body, the gutter is always kind of associated with groups like prostitute.
Yeah, I know.
That's why I think it's like the gutter. The gutter is a metaphor for the lowest.
In the study of the correlation between ecology and dance, I became interested in how people relate to the gutter environment. As I walk through Auckland City, I notice how people walk alongside the gutter, how they step over the gutter, but I notice how they don't step into the gutter. In fact, people seem to block out the existence of the gutter as if it wasn't there. Ignored, forgotten, not seen. I began to wonder what kinds of human thoughts and feelings were driving such human behaviours, and did they reflect a culture of gutter judgment? The gutter becomes a symbol of how society hides, denies and ignores what is considered unclean, dirty, shameful or private. The recycling of a society's underlying beliefs, thoughts and judgments keeps alive a collective psychology of this system of elimination.
Either, which is kind of a nice Latin sounding word.
My aim for this research then was to rethink our relationship with the gutter and to challenge its design and function of elimination. The research questions how might I reveal the culture of a gutter system through dance thought experimentation. I have investigated this question through workshops with dancers and solo performance experiments at local city gutter sites, such as the gutters of Simon Street and Karangahape Road. My understanding of what a gutter is, though, began to expand to include the fountain in Albert Park, where people gather to psychically detox, to cleanse and to drain. The gutter ecology emerged as the cycling of ideas manifested as human behaviour in regards to the binaries of clean, dirty and private, public. For the dance thought experiments, I have drawn upon Deleuze and Guattari's notion of becoming to play with the possibility of becoming gutter. I experiment with becoming through shifting my attention and focus to explore the relations of movement and rest, speed and slowness that are closest to what one is becoming. Using my subjective experience of a lived body as the site for collecting data, I have recorded and traced the experience of becoming gutter in relation to the spatial dynamics and politics of a gutter site. Here is one example of a dance thought experiment into becoming gutter. I enter into co-presence with this gutter ecology through an orifice in the body of the tree. A small hole just big enough to squeeze through. I slow down to sense this gutter's spatial dynamics.
The gutter's here, it's squeaky fucking clean.
I trace the presence of performative objects within the Ecologies perimeter, traces of human behaviour in a gutter environment, portals for channeling past, present and future gutter cultures. Becoming gutter inside the hollow tree is at first embarrassed. It is tight and nervous. Then it softens, dissolves. It is majestic, swooning, obsessive and dreamy. What emerged from this becoming gutter experiment was a gutter metaphor. In this case, the gutter site is named meta-gutter. This would become part of an archive of metaphorical gutters, nowhere further to fall, block, gifts from the gutter, mind in the gutter, and you're draining me. This research project has revealed two main findings. Becoming gutter yields a shift in awareness from self-consciousness to a profound concentration on sensation and feeling. This shift in awareness opens up the world of the gutter to instances and encounters with transcendence and grandeur. The fluttering reflection of a seagull across the watery surface of a blocked gutter. The underworld of the cigarette butt-filled drain as it morphs to become a palatial theatre chamber with elaborate sculptures and deeply moving lighting states. The world of the gutter explodes into multi-dimensional spaces. Secondly, an individual's relationship to the gutter is subjective, psychological and complex. Through these becoming gutter dance thought experiments, my subjective gutter metaphor emerges as channels of shame, reflecting the experience of a heightened awareness of my gendered and sexualized body when experienced in proximity to the gutter. Would the gutter system serve to eliminate me? Or would I invisibilize my body in a hope no one would see?
The rain softly.
This performance reverberates channels of shame as a protest, a gutter pride parade, and a purification body ritual.
You can understand my passion and connections.